the auto feeding device. Here with the you can see the lumber. It can adjust all the different widths here by hand wheels. And also you see this is double deck. We here have the 2 inches and the B deck. Here we have the embossing to make its strengthening parts. And here we have the mesh cavalry to do this. You see this is double deck machine with the full cavalry. And also it's very long. I think this machine is about like 15 meters. You see this is with all the controller. Here, let me show you this controller. You see we have the English and the Chinese, and all this you see is here monitor lens different. You see this is our touch screen. This is the Siemens brand, and so here is the double deck machine. We can cutting, and here is a table to transport the move to this side, and then packing here is wood and bamboo here, and then this forklift around the outside. Okay, this is the total complete line, and this is shipped to US. I hope